The Blackview Tab 15 will be launching on the 1st of November. It is Blackview's latest tablet. It's going to be available in 3 beautiful colors: Lunar Silver, Space Gray, and Twilight Blue. Let's quickly talk about its main features and specs. So the device has a thickness of 7.3 millimeters, which means it is a very thin tablet. It flaunts a 10.5-inch Full HD Plus display, and it also supports Widevine L1, which means you could be able to stream from your favorite streaming services such as Hulu, Disney Plus, Amazon Prime, etc. in Full HD. The device is powered by the Unisoc T610 chip, paired with 8 gigs of RAM. The RAM is expandable. An additional 6 gigabytes could be added to the original 8 gigs of RAM, which equals to 14 gigs of RAM in total. It also features a 128 gigabytes of onboard storage that is expandable up to 1 terabyte. At the rear, there is a single 30-megapixel camera. There is also an 8-megapixel front camera for video calls and selfies. It ships with the DocOS 3.0 based on the Android 12 OS. Some of the top features of the DocOS 3.0 includes privacy control, multiple pristine themes, smart floating windows, multi-layered dark modes, and so much more. The phone is backed up by 8280 mAh battery, and it supports 18 watts fast charging, which is very good. There's WPS pre-installed on the tablet. The tablet also supports PC mode, and there are other tons of features about the tablet. If you want to get the Blackview Tab 15 at a very affordable price, then make sure to use the link in the video description. What are your thoughts about the Blackview Tab 15, Blackview's latest tablet? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.